Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G04 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to stop screen mirroring in your phone Moto G04. Suppose if you have enabled screen mirroring from your phone Moto G04 to any Android TV, if you would like to stop screen mirroring, what you got to do is go to Google Home app. If you have used Google Home app or any other app, go there and click on stop mirroring there, and mirroring will be stopped. Okay, this is one method. Also from the TV itself you can stop. Okay, for that I show it. First I enable screen mirroring. So to stop from your TV itself, just in your TV remote, take your TV remote, just press back button and screen mirroring will be stopped. So in this way also you can stop screen mirroring from your phone Moto G04. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.